Welcome to the 2021 Bronco Super Celebration. I need someone who is going to help me. Early Bronco owners, show of hands. How many of you are early Bronco owners?
Well, it's like I was telling somebody earlier, my first vehicle was a Bronco. In fact, there's an 83 here that's maroon and white, and that's what my first Bronco was. I bought it when I was a sophomore in high school.
But what is it, like, for someone who's never been here, you know, people watching, what is it, what's so special about this event?
You know, I think it's just the all-American family environment.
I don't have my Bronco yet. It's not ready. I can't go. That is the absolute dumbest thing that you could possibly do. I mean, it's not ready. You do not need a Bronco to come here at all.
If you need inspiration for your build, you need to be here. If you need to find parts, you need to be here. If you need to just get that Bronco fix, you need to be here. If you need, if you need knowledge for real. Come check this out. We're going to be doing a fender removal in a couple minutes. Oh, look at that.
Stainless 60 front, 14-bolt rear, 408, C6, Titan black box to a 205, twin sticks.
It's got a Desolate Stage 3 pre-runner kit on it. I like to call it kind of like a pre-lander because we don't really, we don't pre-run out here in East Tennessee.
Basically just trying to drive it every day as much as I can, especially trying to do some long trips.
But I just like the originality of the Bronco. I can't bring myself to cut anything like this.
But I'm like, I want stripes, so we just kind of changed them a little bit, and we call them the Montana Sunset Stripes, and that's kind of where it's went.
We've been doing ride and drives here. We have Bronco Sports and full-size 2- and 4-door Broncos. Very excited for everyone to be able to see them in the flesh, all next to one another, be able to ride in them, be able to drive the Bronco Sports, get a little seat time, and get excited for what's coming.
Bronco Super Celebration has been amazing this year. It was quite an event. We had a rainy Saturday, but man, other than that, it was a great event. Thank you to everyone who came out. Thank you guys so much for watching this. We will see you next time.